Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on voice chat in WhatsApp groups. So on WhatsApp in larger groups, WhatsApp now has included a voice chat feature which works like live chat that anyone in the group can join without ringing it for everyone. So as you know, when you're in a group chat and when someone rings a group chat, it basically goes out to everyone. However, now they have changed this so that you can turn on a voice chat and the person can join if he or she wants to. So let me show you how you can turn on this voice chat. So to turn on a voice chat feature, go ahead and swipe up just above this message. Hold it there. And then now this will start voice chat. So you can swipe up easily to talk with your group over audio. It quietly starts without ringing anyone. So if you're happy with that, tap on start. And now a voice chat has been started. So it's ideal for casual group discussions and spontaneous meetings without disturbing all the members. It's like walkie-talkie session for your group chat. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on the voice chat in WhatsApp group on WhatsApp.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.